Hi, it's Theo. Today I'll be explaining to you why is it important to always read the syllabus. I'm gonna use a personal experience of mine. So I had A's all through the semester for both semesters, and then when it brought down to the final exam, I was not going to class every day, but I kept up a certain amount of attendance. But because I did not read the syllabus, I did not know that attendance was 50% of my grade. So because I did not show up to all of my classes, when the final grade came in, I went from an A straight to a C, a lower C. So that's why it's always important to read the syllabus and always stay in tune with your professor so you know what's happening. I'm gonna show you right now how to find the syllabus. You can click on the dashboard, click on the profile of the course. You can see syllabus right here, and the syllabus should be in here, but if you don't see it there, you can also click on modules and you can see it into modules. You can also go into overview, weekly overview, and you can go down and you can see right under the overview, you can see a click here to download the syllabus. So you can download the syllabus and you also can get access to it. But it all depends on where your professor puts it.